Well, I wanted to try printing a piece with some build height. So I picked a fancy vase. And I guess that was kind of a mistake for this purpose, because we're at only 68% through and 10 hours into this. And I gotta say, this thing is definitely a challenge for this printer in its current state. It's been useful though. It kind of demonstrates some things that need to be done. Still, with all that vibration, it's amazing that the thing generally is coming out fairly well. So in another, 6 hours or so, 5 or 6 hours, we'll see what this looks like. So here we are at about 85%, 84% complete of a article that was intended to test a little bit what the thing could do with build height. And instead it's turned out to be an interesting test, I think, of the limitations of a Prusa or Y-bed style printer. This particular shape induces a lot of vibration and resonance in the X and Y axes and some combination of the two at various points during the rendering. And the whole table shakes, the whole machine shakes. It's kind of hectic. So if I do much more printing of things like this, I will definitely have to look at better ways of securing the printer and just basically making things a little more solid. Not sure how much that's actually going to help, because, well, even in these less than ideal circumstances, it's made it through this thing. But it's been interesting, and it's taken nearly 12 and a half hours to get to this point. So I'll record a picture when the thing is done, and that's all for now. So this is what 16 hours and 49 minutes of buzzing and shaking and 3D printing get you. Don't know if it's going to show up, but there's quite a few interesting little artifacts in this. It's difficult to attribute to exactly what problem would cause these. Could be a couple, several, but just the same, the overall effect is kind of neat. There you go, one so-called twisted vase.